entrance of Camp Hatteras Campground. This is the oceanside, and this is the sound side. Yes. So here is the entrance, and this is the what do you call that? The registration area right here. So yeah, this is the registration office. Ang ingay mo gandang mangyan. On this side is the, oh geez, I forgot the name of this game again. What's the name of this game? Huh?
Shuffleboard.
Shuffleboard. So they have a shuffleboard on this side, tennis court, playground in there, and they even have a park, like a gated area for the pet behind that behind the park.
You got 15.
Who's winning?
Is that one touching? Is this one touching white?
Nope.
Huh?
Look at it.
Touching white.
Come on.
Who's winning?
15. You gotta go add 15 points to your score.
Okay.
So this shuffle, what do you call it again?
Shuffleboard.
Shuffleboard. It's just right in front of
Huh?
this campground. Now we also have a mini boat.
Hang on, wait for me. Don't even hit it again. Hey, wait.
Good job.
Two, 0, 0. Plus 3.
Yeah, I know.
No, plus 3, plus 2. Because that's counted too.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that's gonna.
Alright, off the course.
Oh, that's gonna hit it. Go, Liam. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh.
Those 3 shots, right?
I didn't know you can do that. I thought you have to wait for the. Serious?
Plus 1.
No, 3 shots. So, still plus 2. You're still plus 2.
Nice. So here we are, guys, in Hatteras Campground. So today this is not really that busy. Still a lot of vacant spot for the travel trailer. So yes, see, as you can see, we don't have a neighbor beside us, the other side as well. So pretty much we just own this spot, which is nice also. You don't feel crowded. Yes, it is a nice campground. The beach is over there. Just have to walk straight after the tent. There's like a pavilion over there. That's the beach area. This is some of the cabins. Yes, as you can see, there is a table available already for each spot. It is paved. It's nice. I like that. But yeah, I can say it's not really one of my favorite campground that we've been to. I wish there's some more trees, because imagine this place, guys, when it's on summer, it's gonna be so hot. There's no shade at all. There's a lot of big trailer in that area. Yes, and so I'm gonna walk around and trying to roam around the area. So there's a lake here. This is a nice spot here in this area. I wish we have this. I wish I got this spot here close to the lake. Don't attack me. Nice setup of camper like that. Like that. Oh my gosh. It's pretty. They have a playground over there in the area. They have a pot. So what do you call that? They have some tennis court. Liam! So that's every time we go to the campground, guys. This is what my son's doing. He's just gonna bike his. He's just gonna ride his bike all the way. Nothing. Just calling him.
Why are you
Who
here?
won?
I lost. Dad won. Dad
I was
won.
supposed to take video of you guys while playing the pot.
I'm gonna ask Dad again.
No, it's fine.
I know I want to.
Because you wanna win, huh?
Dad, can we please do
We're gonna go to the beach for now.
We're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna go fishing. The pot?
Yeah.
I don't really like it.
Come on, Mom.
We'll see you there. We are going to the beach. We are still here in Hatteras Campground. This is the ocean front view of Camp Hatteras, or Hatteras Campground. I mean, these are all the spots and the ocean front view. So we are going to the beach. Chilly, guys. It is chilly. I don't know if Liam can take the water temperature today. wanna remove your
Shirt?
yeah, your shirt?
In a second.
Oh, you didn't bring. You have your other shirt for swimming.
That doesn't fit me anymore.
No, that's a new one.
Oh,
Are you gonna go in?
yeah. Or
Since he can't go swimming, the water is too cold. So he just wants his legs to be buried in the sand.
I feel like my toes are missing something.
Yeah, I can see it.
I can move my toes.
Yeah, there, I can see it. I'm gonna cover it.
Ah, that's better.
Better?
That's why I was getting a bit cold. I can also move my toes on the other side. Is there any holes on the other side?
No, it's fine. I don't see any hole. Yeah, we've been here for like an hour now and we haven't caught any fish. I don't see anybody catching a fish either.
Wait.
Okay? Hang on, I'll fix it.
I didn't know you were recording.
Nice camper. It's nice sunset. Look at that sunset. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous.